In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to launch an app called Files. If you don't have it already on your device, you can download it from Play Store. It's from Google Developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. And if you never used it before, hit Continue. Then click on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. And tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Following that, hit Clean at the top and select Clean under Junk Files. Last but not least, hit Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!